If you're trying to reach everyone on social media, chances are you may reach no one. Instead, identify who exactly your audience is by creating customer personas as part of your social media strategy. Targeting the right audience on social media is so important because understanding their challenges, interests, and demographics will inform how you personalize your messaging. Like how 85% of LGBTQ consumers and 79% of African American consumers have taken action after seeing an ad campaign that was inclusive and diverse because it was more relevant to them. Now that you know why it's useful to define your audience, let's learn how to create customer personas for each type of customer you're trying to attract. Customer personas are semi-fictitious profiles that represent your ideal customers and list details about them based on your experience and research into their background, motivations, and more. The point of customer personas is to have them act as a single source of truth on who your audience is so you can reference them again when you're creating your own social media campaigns. This information about your customers can come from observations, reviewing existing analytics data from your website, social media, retail location, CRM, or other contact points, or even from conducting a survey or running a focus group. Start putting together your own personas by organizing your customers into different groups, then assigning demographics and behaviors that accurately define them. For example, a yoga studio might have 3 customer personas: college-age millennials, working parents, and retirees based on what time of day they participate in the studio's classes. Creating a customer persona for working parents might start by naming the persona the mindful parent, as it's easy to remember a specific nickname to reference this customer group. From there, you'd clarify some useful demographics about them, like their typical age range, profession, education level, family life, common personality traits, and their yoga preferences. This data could have been collected from their customer profile they filled out when signing up for a class, combined with demographic research you've referenced on the yoga practices of Americans. After that, you'd outline patterns in their behavior, like their personal goals in taking yoga classes, what their common frustrations are when it comes to fitness, and why they chose your studio over others. This information might have come from sending a survey to customers over email to learn about their motivations behind their attendance and their mindset when it comes to fitness. While your personas are always a work in progress, use them as a litmus test for ensuring all your social media campaigns are aimed at reaching the right people, your customers.